Hi everybody. Today I'm working on this 8 by 12 inch canvas, and I am going to attempt the cloudy effect again. I'm going to start by pouring a generous coat of white on my canvas, but I didn't want that on there. Looks like that white is very lumpy. I may not be able to use this. Let's see what happens here. A different batch of white might be better. I'm going to try that. And that did it. Okay. I'm going to mix my cup for a ring pour. I'm going to start with the satin enamel mixed with the Artist Loft white. Put a little bit more. This is Harbor by Color Place. It's house paint from Walmart. Deep Magenta, Liquitex Basics. Pink Raspberry with some white added. Also house paint from Walmart. This is gold, 24 karat gold from Bogart, and a little bit of this baby blue from Color Place. Okay, let's see what happens. A lot of gold coming out. I love that Harbor. It's such a pretty color of turquoise. And there comes the satin enamel. Okay. Give it a tilt. Oh yeah, I can see the cloudy effect right now. They're very pretty. I'd like to have that cloud right down the center of the painting. And there's beautiful. Wow. Let me show you this orientation. That is gorgeous. I hope you can see that. Wow. I got the cloudy effect this time for the first time, and I'm really pleased. I think this painting came out fabulous, and I thank you for watching. If you have any questions about the paints, anything else, please leave them in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye now.